Hello everybody and welcome back to Amnesia The Dark Descent. So last time we left off, little Timmy paid us a visit in here and I had to go hide around here, this little dangle. And a stupid little cockroach. Alright, so we gotta get back into it. So apparently, Daniel, the guy I'm playing as, actually remade the orb thing. Well, he panted heavily, trying his best to keep himself from screaming. The medicine cabinet had been overturned and lay collapsed on the floor. He reached through the... Oh god. Oh. Alright, never mind. So, what? Tim? Tim, is this you? He's kind of fun to play with. Bye, Tim. Alright, so, we're getting right back into it. Okay, so, I think, alright, these things are finally starting to piece together. We flipped through the Book of the Monarchs looking for etchings and counted. 9 different kings from all over Europe had been depicted with an orb resting in their hands. Alright, so, all these stories, they're starting to lead together. So he's able to put the orb back together that he found. I don't know, but I'm still wondering about Alexander. Why do I want to kill him? I really want to know why that needs to be done. That's a weird sound. A bit of buzzing. It's a funnel. Excuse me. Excuse me. I got a headache. Anything up there? What's this? Oh! Yes, it's a thing. I'm gonna close that door. I don't feel safe. Alright. Stop screaming! Thank you. It's kinda dark, and do I have any... Oh, I still have a little bit of oil left. Okay. I kinda froze there for a second. I got scared. What's this? Oh, it's something behind there. Okay. Is there anything of importance in this room? What is that sound? Oh my god. Little dance. Do a little dance. Okay. Uh-oh. Sorry, that was a bad. Done goofed. Oh, hey. Somebody in here? Nope. Okay. Going right back out. So, getting into this again. I have actually been playing this all on the same day because this game is just so fun. Oh my god. Like, I said it once, I will say it twice. If you don't have this game already, you should get it. Because this is a fun game. I want out. Let me out of here. I heard an owl. Y'all hear an owl too? I heard an owl. What am I looking for? Oh, that's right. I found the key. Why am... Oh, I came to this study to see if I can find the orb. Key. Oh, I need to go that way. Can I find the orb anywhere? Hello? What? What did they do to you, dog? Dove? Is that what I'm hearing in the background? A dog? I'll pick you up.
Let's see what you have to offer.
No. No.
What a mess. I should have sharpened the saw.
What?
But I can sense it. It's definitely there.
What? You just killed a puppy? You just killed a puppy? You killed a puppy? Why did he kill the puppy? Why would you do that? Now I know why I want to kill Alexander. Excuse you. I was saving you for later. I don't care you. You need a face. Oh my god, you were ugly. Wait, is that what those one things look like? Timmy, is that you? Ew, you're really ugly. Looks like he has a big head from down here. It's an illusion. It's pretty cool. Haha! Okay, I gotta read. Further disappointment. The antiquarian's latest findings yielded nothing. I'm still unable to grasp the inner workings of life and its relation to the power I sense within it. I shall pursue more books on the subject, but I suspect that it would be in vain, since no research has made my particular interest. I must attempt to fill that void myself. Clearly humans emanate more of the energy I seek, but I hope animals will suffice as they prove less of a hassle to acquire. You monster! Oh my god. Why would they do this? Shovel! Come with me. No, just knock that over. Knock it over. Knock it over. Okay. Shovel, you were used in the killing of dogs. I will not be here for you. And... well, that scared me at first. Find another way around the rubble in the study. I think I'll just go back downstairs. Excuse you. Do I want to go out here? Stop, don't do that. Okay, what am I looking for?
Someone's coming.
When will it be my turn? Have I not shown restraint? My patience spans centuries from wherever I came. Mankind is not wasted in bread. Yet I bow to you. I have done so much for you, and nothing in return. Agrippa, I trusted you. It was I who in all fairness entered that gate. Okay. No! Oh god, I thought that was just something that happened. Okay, thank you. Elevator renovation plans. Was that sure where the engine thing is? Oh, definitely not. Oh. If it was, I'm not looking at that. Chamber control. What is that? Thank you, Here. If the elevator breaks down again, make sure to use the steam engine to build up pressure before channeling it into the machinery. Adjust the levers to get to the right amount of pressure inside the chamber. The meter should read up 8 and down 8. Make sure the flow is set according to the following chart. Trinity steam set functions, 4-phase amplitude, complete steam flow cycle. Note that the machine will not check proper configuration until all rods are inserted. Is that a rod? Flow cycle rod. Whoa, that is wibbly wobbly. Well, I thought that was back where I started in the beginning of the game. Okay, so I guess I did need to go here. So I will need to go to the engine room now, I believe. I don't like that sound. Did that tree just fall down? No, you owl, shut up! I don't like that sound. The dogs, I must get out of here. Professor Taylor was the second death caused by his damn curiosity. Who's Professor Taylor? I'm getting a little bit of a lag spike. Timmy, how'd you get back up here? So, where do I need to go? It's this room, I think. Yeah, I think so. Wait, this might be storage. No, not storage. I need to go to the other one. Don't look at the baby, don't look at the baby, don't look at the...
Don't forget your bag, Daniel.
I won't, Herbert.
There is no shame in using a parasol in the desert. As it happens, it's imperative to your survival.
But it looks ridiculous.
The shame will hurt much less than dying, I assure you.
True. Okay, so I need to get to the engine room and fix the elevator, I think. No, machine room, not engine room. Ah, that's all fine and dandy, but I have a key. Strange letter frightened him, but it was also the only one which offered him some comfort. Keep showing that same picture over and over again. Excuse you. Hello? I think I'll put you out for now.
5th of July, 1839. Today, I went to the university looking for answers. I was able to sneak into Herbert's office and pick up an address book along with some relevant textbooks. Professor Taylor at the Faculty of History was very helpful, and I managed to approach the subject of the orbs. The most interesting aspect was the prevalent trace they had left in our culture. The mythic orbs may, in fact, have inspired the globus cruciger, which so many royal regalia holds to this day. In ancient times, the orbs were held by priests as a symbol of the sun and its power. As I was leaving, I overheard a disturbing conversation. Sir William Smith, the geologist, was killed last night. Less than a fortnight had passed since I'd asked for his expertise. I know it's silly, but I can't help feeling responsible somehow.
Oh, it's probably because it's all your fault. Okay, so what's this? Wait. Pressure. What did it say before? It said 8 something, right? No. Yes. Just stay still. Okay, cool. So, what am I looking for? Journal. Notes, maybe? Elevator machine instructions. Alright. Adjust the levers to get the right amount of pressure inside the chambers. The meter should read up 8 and down 8. Back. Okay, so up 8, so then it'll be 5 and 3 and 5 or no, let's have 3 3 and then a 2, then what's that, a 6. There we go. Alright, so what do we need to do now?
There's nothing left.
Yes, there is.
Everything's gone.
Don't give up on life. I believe in you. You're all beautiful. All of you, subscribers and non-subscribers, every single one of you is beautiful. Never think differently. Ever. What's this call go to?
14th of July, 1839. I've read every book I can find on the subject. While rich in legend and hearsay, my knowledge is lack for the insight I crave. I've sent letters to many in Herbert's address book and received answers of varying importance. Today, I got one which differed greatly from the others. From a baron in Prussia. He said nothing about the quaint stories of priests in underground temples.
Like an old way to say
didn't
Persian.
even mention them. He simply wrote, I know. I can protect you. Come to Brennenburg Castle. Signed, Alexander. What am I to make of this? Protect me from what? Is someone after me? I looked up Brennenburg and traced it to the Prussian woods near the Baltic Sea. While being the least informative letter I've received, it causes me greatest distress and interest. As I write, my thoughts are drawn to my nightmares in which a most disturbing sound calls to me.
Is it Tim?
A sound defying description. A voice from the void.
Probably Tim.
The last few weeks have been awful, with so many sleepless nights dreading a repeat of those horrid dreams.
Like the water.
Tomorrow, I shall visit my physician, Dr. Tate, in hope that he can provide me with sedatives to help me sleep.
Well, you sound a bit crazy. Oh, another letter. Note that there are only 2 spare rods left in storage. In the storage for the elevator machinery. Make sure to only discard the ones which are badly damaged and keep the others in the inner study rooms in case all 3 would crack again. Inner study rooms. Okay. So, I still need to find that extra thing for... Hold on. What's this one? Flow. Okay, got the first one. Can I put it in different slots? I can't. Okay, I just won't have them for now. Alright, so I need to go further down to the machine. So I've got the elevator working, I believe. Oh, more letters.
17th of July.
Oh, these are so long.
How has this escaped me? They're all dead. Limbs scattered, heads split down the middle, their skin flayed as if boiled. I feel like I'm falling into myself. What's happening? Sir William Smith, Professor Taylor, now Dr. Tate. Is it following me? How can it not be? It's the damn thing I brought from Africa. Something is after me. I have no choice but to trust the Baron. He better know what he claims. If he is wrong, I suspect he'll regret it as well.
Well, yeah, now I know you're crazy. What'd that do? Oh, okay, yeah, so that was the thing that I needed, the cogwheel. There's one. Excuse you. Okay, let's find some more. Oh my gosh, this is actually really interesting. This storyline here. Nothing in the burner. What do I need? I need like wood or something in there? Put a box in there maybe. Okay, so I need to go find the cogwheel. There you are. I'll break you. I want to break you. Okay, I guess I can't break you. Go Going downstairs. Doesn't seem like this one will be quite as eventful as I think it's the third one. Yes, third one. Oh man, I still need one more. Where do I find this last one? Oh god. Is that blood or is that rust? Probably both. I don't like those noises. Ah, there you are. Go. Just some big wheels. Like, how am I carrying this? With the force. Use my mind. What does it need now? Oh, the igniter thing. Can I put a box in here? Nope. What do I put in there? I have no idea what to put in here. A barrel? What do I do? Oh, maybe some coal. Oh, okay. We're seeing a shovel here. Can I get some coal? Oh, I can pick these up. Throw some stuff in there. Throw a few more. Just fill it all the way up to top. You know, just to be sick. Just to be sick. These little coal poops. Yeah, you know, just because every abandoned castle has coal poops in it. That bug is crawling on me, and I did not like that. I did not like... Okay, it's full of coal. No, you mean coal poops. Now I go turn you on. And... Shazamo! What? What else does it need? What else does it need? Hold on. Stop. Stop. Coal poop. What do you need now? The machinery needs more work before it will run. Like what? Does this need something? I don't think it needs some. What do you need? This machinery? Oh, maybe I need to put that flow rod in. Flow. Now let's try it. Do we need all? Oh, we probably need all three. Okay, we could try it now, but no. Any flow rods anywhere? No, maybe, yes, please. Oh my god. Okay, let's try the elevator. Did I miss anything in here? Okay, I don't think I did. Alright, so we need 2 more. Let's take you with me. Okay. If I'm doing something wrong, please, like, leave a comment or something. I'm gonna go to the elevator. If that doesn't work, then that'll probably be the end of this episode, but no. Let's just check around. Just a tad bit. That's already. Yeah, let's go check the elevator. Sir William Smith had been mocked. There was no way for him to know that the young man from the other day cast such a horrible shadow. So it was following him and it just kills everybody? It's not working. Okay, so we need to do something with the flow rods. And those are somewhere in storage, but I have not found the last chemical yet. So I'm gonna have to say this is where we will stop today. And it's not very eventful, but so we're gonna stop today. Leave a like, leave a comment if you know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know. And I will see you in the next episode of Amnesia The Dark Descent. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. See you later.